If you love her no matter what, and you go deeper every time she puts up a wall, what can you be certain will happen?
How am I meant to be true to myself if I have 4 children that rely on me and a controlling husband?
Now, how do you define controlling?
Oh, did it hurt?
Oh, that was very warm. Stand up. You stood up for a reason. It's time to handle this. Come on, stand back up.
I think the biggest thing I can do for her is let her go instead of trying to hold her back.
And how are you holding her back?
I think through my fears of losing her.
Does she really want to go?
Deep down, I don't think so, but yeah, she's told me she has.
What she's really trying to do is get you to show up and be man because you love the woman, you don't know what to do.
He's not a pussy. He's got everything he wants.
Really? He doesn't have you happy? Why don't you, there's the answer. It's not in your head. The answer is in his face. I want you to tell him what you're really feeling. And the whole time she does this, I want you totally present.
I'm scared to tell him things because he'll get angry.
I know, honey. I know you're scared. I'm asking you to trust him right here because if he does, I'll just punch them. And when you're willing to love her when she seems crazy, she'll trust you. And when she trusts you, she'll open to you. When she opens to you, you're going to feel like a man again. Her job is to try to hurt you. Your job is to show nothing will ever hurt me because I love you. You can scream, you can yell, you can smack me. You're never getting away. I will take care of you forever.
His constant negative crap in the house all the time.
The more she does this, become more of a man. She's doing everything she could say to hurt because she's hurting so bad and saying, do you really love her? Because most men would have run.
You did, I wouldn't be feeling like this. You would be showing me.
She's got a hell of a bag, doesn't she? She's got a great bag of tricks.
Keep coming, baby.
Oh.
Be a man and tell her the truth. Why don't you have her heart? What have you been and how will it be different? And all she's doing is begging you, prove it to me. Prove it to me. Make my soul feel. Your job is to open her.
You're not going to push me away.